Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, inshallah kareem, in this video you are going to learn the Holy Quran, Para 1, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat number 141 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. And this ayat is going to be the last ayat of Para 1. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تلك أمة قد خلت لها ما كسبت ولكم ما كسبتم ولا تسألون عما كانوا يعملون. Look at the word tilka ummatun qad khalat. Do gunna in mim mushaddad, because mim mushaddad and noon mushaddad are always pronounced with gunna. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. And you can see qaf after two pesh after tanween. Qaf is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in tanween. Laha ma kasabat. Stretch alif madda after ha and stretch alif madda after mim. Walakum ma kasabtum. There is another meme after meme sakin. The rule idghame shafvi will be done and gunna will be done in meme sakin. And do qalqala in ba, because ba is from qalqala letters. Qalqala means to rebounce the sound, to return the voice. Wala tus'aluna. Stretch alif madda after lam and stretch waw madda after lam. Amma. Do gunna in mim mushaddad. Kanu. Stretch alif madda and waw madda. Ya'malun. Stretch madde aris at the end of this word. Madde aris is done when a temporary sukun comes after any madda letter. Temporary sukun means when a letter becomes sakin because of waqf. In this word, noon is sakin because of waqf, and this temporary sukun is coming after waw madda, so it will be madde aris. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Alhamdulillah, you have learned the whole para 1 completely with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. If you haven't watched any of the videos of para number 1, then go to that video and watch and learn the ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah in para 1 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat.